Dear students, welcome back once again. Read CG, Success for All, Career Growth, YouTube tutorial classes. So here in this video, today we learn that is part 1, subject Physics, class 12th. In that, Physics chapter 1, electric charges and fields. So here in chapter 1, electric charges and fields 1.1, introduction. All of us have the experience of seeing a spark or hearing a crackle when we take off our synthetic clothes or sweater, particularly in dry weather. So here during winter season, suppose you are using synthetic clothes or sweater, you see sparking or hearing a crackle sound, particularly in dry weather. Sometimes winter, sometimes you will find in dry weather. So here this is almost inevitable with ladies garments like a polyester sari. So suppose you are using garments, dresses like made up of polyester, so you will find more sparking and hearing a crackle sound. Have you ever tried to find any explanation for this phenomenon? So here, looking overall this sparking, hearing a crackle sound during winter season or in dry weather season, you are using synthetic cloths, sweater such as made up of polyester. So here have you ever tried yourself to find any explanation for this phenomenon? Now here another common example of electric discharge. Another common example of electric discharge is the lightning that we see in the sky during thunderstorms. So here another common example of electric discharge is the lightning that we see in the sky during thunderstorms. So lightning lightning, thunder during rainy season, you see electric discharge in the sky during rainy season. Now here we also experience a sensation of an electric shock either while opening the door of a car or holding the iron bar of a bus after sliding from our seat. See here, we also experience a sensation of an electric shock either while opening the door of a car or holding the iron bar of a bus after sliding from our seat. The reason for these experiences is discharge of electric charges through our body, means sensation of an electric shock while opening the door of a car or holding iron bar of a bus after sliding from our seat. The reason is experience discharge of electric charges through our body, which were accumulated due to rubbing of insulating surfaces. See here, any any insulating material, you start rubbing so the electric charges are produced on the body of a insulating surface due to rubbing. So here the reason for these experiences is discharge of electric charges through our body, which were accumulated due to rubbing of insulating surfaces. Rubbing insulating surfaces, electric charges produced on a body. When you touch a body, you feel a little sensation of shock, that is known as discharge of electric charges through our body, through the body. So now here see, you might have also heard that this is due to generation of static electricity. So here static, meaning of static, rest, constant, stationary. So an object which do not move, or any object that does not move, stay in a constant rest stationary, that overall meaning known as static. So here you might have also heard that this is due to the generation of static electricity. Static means at rest, constant, stationary. Electricity means, you know, that is in terms of charges, in terms of electric charges. This is precisely the topic we are going to discuss in this and the next chapter. Here, static means anything that does not move or change with time. So here, static means anything that does not move or change with time. Keeping time as a reference, keeping time as a reference, keeping time as a reference, any object, any particle or anything that does not move or change its place with reference with respect to time, so known as static. mean Static means stationary, constant, rest, no change in a place with respect to time. Now here electrostatics. Electrostatics deals with the study of forces, fields and potentials arising from static charges. So here I repeat once again, it is very important through this entire chapter number 1, electric charges and fields. Electrostatics deals with the study of forces, fields and potentials arising from static charges. So I hope, dear students, you have understood very well. I hope we will meet continuation of this class in next video, that is topic 1.2, electric charge. Thank you.